Hey, welcome everybody back to Henry's Backyard Bar and Grill. Today we're going to be doing a smoked chicken, cauliflower rice with a little added rice, and it's all instant, so it's quick and easy with bell pepper and onion and garlic. We're going to be doing a cocktail today. It's a smoked Irish Mule and asparagus again. And then for dessert, I got a special treat. Thank you, and let's get to it. Okay, we got our chicken here. It's been dried and cleaned. Olive oil, lemons and oranges, our spice rub. Go ahead and oil the chicken down. Get it really nice and good layer of oil on it so the seasoning sticks. Don't forget to get inside. Okay. There we go. Make sure to get seasoning on all parts of this chicken. Apparently I'm getting a little more than I wanted. So this spice rub is very similar to the one we did for the ribs, except it doesn't have the coffee, nutmeg, cinnamon, and lemon peel. Get inside. And if you can get under the skin, get under the skin. Always want to season under the skin if you can. My opinion is you can't really over season. Okay. Now, what you hopefully have done also is start your smoker, get it up to 325. I'm going to put this on for about an hour, hour and a half. Lemon, orange. Stuff this thing. There we go. Alright, go ahead and stick this on the smoker. Press side up. Hey, chicken's been on for about a half hour. Just want to check it. And I'm going to use this to keep it moist. It's a mixture of water and apple cider vinegar. It's a little secret I learned a long time ago. This is looking really good. Spray it down a little bit. Check the temperature on it, even though I have a probe in it. Remember, you want to get down deep in the breast. Okay, it's about 85 degrees, so it's got a long way to go. Set it back on and let it go for about another, hour. Okay, it's now an hour in. Check number 2, just give a little spritz. So you want to spray it about every half hour or so, depending on how long you have it on for. Always got to double check the temperature, make sure you don't overdo it a little bit. We're at about 120. So it still has a long way to go. Okay, check number 2, see you in about a half hour. Okay, so it's been about an hour and a half. The bird's at about 170 now. It should be 165. Look at that beautiful thing right there. Take the probe out. Remember, like all meat, you want to let it rest for a few minutes. Those out. Take this thing off. So cover it, let it rest, and while we're doing it, we're going to do the cauliflower rice and the asparagus. Okay, so we're going to do this cauliflower rice up. Got olive oil in the pan. It's nice and hot. Going to add some minced garlic. A little bit of red onion, diced red onion, and a little bit of diced bell pepper. Go and stir that together. Get it fragrant. Let that saute up for a minute. So this is a quick and dirty cauliflower rice with a little added substance of the regular rice. Next to it, we're going to do the asparagus, which is like I did with the ribs, just quick and dirty. Olive oil, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Or, sorry, not garlic powder, lemon pepper. I don't know if you can hear it, but my wonderful fiance and her sister are in the background, sitting by the fire pit, waiting for dinner. Okay, let those go. Looking good. Okay, I'll go ahead and add the rice and the cauliflower rice. Mix this up, let it brown up a little bit. Okay, looking good here. So now you can go ahead and season with a little more garlic powder. A little lemon pepper. And a tiny bit of soy sauce, just for color. Little. Ooh, that's looking good. Looking good. Like I said, quick and easy, dirty. Make this ahead of time. You can serve it as with a bowl. You can do carne asada or just meat. Do it with some roasted vegetables. It's looking good. Okay, now we'll go ahead and do the asparagus. So that rice is done. Now, the asparagus only take a few minutes. You just want to get them a little bit soft. And I'm doing these on a grill mat, which if you don't have one, highly recommended to get one. If you go to the website, you can find a link to get them on the blog or with the recipe. Like I said, these are seasoned with just a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, and lemon pepper. I'm gonna lose one. These should take about 7 to 10 minutes or so. Got a few too many on the grill. Oh well. Going good. Probably just speed up the video here to get them done and over with. And oh, before I forget, the finishing touches for the rice. Add a little bit of butter. Stir it in. That'll make it more rich and creamy for the butter. Okay. I think that rice is done. Finally. And then to garnish, throw a little cilantro on top. Be good. Flip. Probably not been on long enough, but flip them anyway. I can start to see the char marks. That's good. These are getting done good. They're looking good. I've tried rolling them. Find that just flipping them is easier for me. You want them to get, when you pick them up, you just want them to, like that. It's almost done. You just want them just a little bit tender. Bigger ones, not done yet. They're looking gorgeous. Now you could probably throw these, I'll try to test it, but you could throw these on the grill with the chicken in a smoker. Probably take 15-20 minutes in there. Get a good smoky flavor to them. Let me know what you guys want. If you want me to do something special, put it down in the comments. And remember, always check out the recipes. I write them down, they're on the link below. Okay, finish this up here in just a minute, and I'll see you inside. It's almost done. Okay, so now that we've eaten, had that great chicken and the cauliflower rice and the asparagus, I made some very quick and easy key lime pies, mini key lime pies, using the Margaritaville mix. Real simple, follow directions. And then fresh whipped cream. If you don't have one of these, you should get one. They're great. Just top them. And then they're ready to go. Enjoy. See you next time. Remember to follow or check out the recipe below. Let me know any comments and questions and concerns or suggestions, and have a good day.